This fall's one of this fall's litter kittens. This is the first trip over here that I've seen. They over at my mom's house usually. A few weeks old. They followed their mom over. There's their mom, Mama Michi, right there in the front, and then I think it's Mia's closer to us, but those are the kittens right behind Mama Michi. They're still nursing, but they're getting more and more weaned, so they're eating a lot of cat food as well. Look at that. Mom Michi's really small. She's good mother's had a lot of kittens. There were originally 5 of them. We're not sure where one of them went, but we hope one of the neighbors took it in. We're not really sure. Yeah, that's Mia in the foreground.